I got the piece out of the forge. It's completely cooled down. I annealed it overnight. So you can see it's not fully welded, and that's fine because I don't know what I'm doing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean off this side. I'm gonna weld a rod on there so I can hold it with, because I don't have any tongs to hold it with. And then I'm gonna put it in some muriatic acid to get rid of all this crud, or maybe I'll do some vinegar, I'm not sure. I'll probably maybe vinegar and leave it overnight just to get rid of all the scale. Then now that I have the rod on there and I can manipulate better, I'm gonna go in and forge weld all of it together on the press. So that's the plan. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I chose to use vinegar instead because it's just going to sit here for hours, and muriatic acid is for using it pretty quickly. So it's been about 24 hours. Let's pull it out. And it's looking clean, I hope. Alright, so this is the block of steel after all the forging. I'm not sure how much of it actually welded together, so I'm going to clean it up with the grinder on all four sides, and I'm going to take it to the bandsaw and see if it welded. Alright guys, so this thing did not weld. You can see all the parts in there, all the cracks. So I'm not sure how welded this is. I'm going to go on ahead and cut it in the center and see what the center is looking like. Alright, so I got it cleaned up, and I still have a little nick right there where it's not fully forged, but I'm going to put in the acid, see what it looks like. I could probably cut it up, and whatever's not fully forged might be forgeable once I stack. So hopefully that works out in my favor, but for now, let's put in the acid.